Hi, I'm Deborah Linville, Employer Liaison for East Bay Works in Contra Costa County. Today we're going to talk about how to write a CV or resume for part-time work. Basically, a resume for part-time work is just a little bit different than writing a regular resume for full-time work. So if you have a good working copy of a full-time resume, you may want to work off of that and just modify it for part-time employment. One thing, if you do not have a resume, you may want to visit centers like East Bay Works, your local one-stop offices that are nationwide, and look at samples of resumes such as this. In all of our offices, we do have many different types of templates and resume samples. We have some on the computer as well. There are many websites that also have resume information. Along with, if you're in school, you may want to visit your career center on campus. In the resume samples, I am going to choose a blank resume that has a format that I really like to use. The resume format has your name and address and email address, and then also a job objective, which I think is very important, especially with part-time work. Say, for example, you want to work part-time in an office, then you would want to state in your job objective that you're looking for part-time work in a mid-size office. Say you know that perhaps Exxon is hiring a part-time office worker, you would be that specific and put down that you want to be a part-time administrative assistant for Exxon Corporation. It's very easy now that we have computers in the home and also at our career centers to be able to change that objective with each title that you are applying for. The job market is competitive, so it's important that you stay that way as well. Then you're going to put your highlights of qualifications. Say you're transitioning from a full-time job to a part-time job. Definitely put down your highlights and use quantitative statements, such as you were able to reorganize the computer files, which gave 20% more productivity for the office, that you managed 5 part-time office staff people, and also list your computer skills, which is very key, as well as your soft skills, things such as being reliable, dependable, being a team player, also that that you have very strong skills in the field that you're looking for part-time work. Also down on your work history, that's pretty self-explanatory, but be sure to list jobs that are very similar to the job objective. And as far as education and references go, definitely list your education and your references. Please ask them beforehand if you can use them as a job reference, and these can be prior supervisors, teachers, maybe ministers if you volunteered at a church or school. So today I talked a little bit about how to write a resume for part-time work, and I hope you learned something from this talk. Thank you.